morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about question paper pattern. In English, we are going to write for 90 marks. This 90 marks is divided into 4 parts. In first part, we are going to answer 20 questions. Each question carries 1 mark. So 20 into 1, 20 marks. We will see part wise later. And part 2, 21 to 30, 2 mark questions. Out of 10 questions, you have to answer 7. 7 into 2, 14 marks. In part 3, there are 10 questions. You have to answer only 7. 3 mark questions. So 7 into 3, 21. In part 4, each question has an option. Either or type. So 41 to 47. Totally 7 questions. You have to answer either this or that, and there are 5 questions. 7 into 5, 35. 7 into 5, 35. So totally 90 marks. Part 1 contains 20 questions, as I have said to you earlier. 1 to 20, 20 marks. First 3 questions, 1 to 3 questions regarding synonyms. Synonyms are from your book back or inside the book. 4 to 6 antonyms. It is also from your book back or inside the book. 7 to 20 questions. There are different topics. I did not give number to each topic because we cannot predict. 7th question only comes from abbreviation. 8th question from prefix. 9th question derivatives. Not like that. Any topic can be placed in any number, any question. So here abbreviations, expanding abbreviations, acronyms are the correct acronym or abbreviation for the given term, and prefix, suffix, derivatives, professionally, compound word, blending, clipping, foreign word, foreign phrases, replacing the Indian word for foreign word, and question tag, phrasal verb, syllabification, euphemism, cliche, preposition, relative pronoun, phrasal verbs, etc. Some more topics are there, and we will discuss each topic in another class. Now we are going to part 2. Part 2, 21 to part 2. Part 2 questions are from 21 to 30. There are 10 questions. You have to answer any 4. Any 7. In part 2, it is divided into 2 sections, 21 to 26. This is appreciation question from poem. Appreciation question from poem. There are 6 questions given, and you have to answer any 4. 4 and 2. For each 2 lines, they are giving 2 questions. So for 2 questions, 2 marks. 4 into 2, 8. There are 6 questions. Out of 6, you have to choose any 4, whichever you like very much. From question number 27 to 30, there are different topics. The 4 questions are asked. You have to choose any 3. So voice, active voice, passive voice. From active to passive or from passive to active. Degrees of comparison. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. And speech, direct speech, indirect speech. From direct to indirect or vice versa. If class, there are 3 types of if classes we will discuss later. And begin with should, begin with had, begin with where. Should, where or had. For this you are given 2 marks. Out of these topics, any 4 topics are chosen and 4 questions are asked. Out of 4, you can choose any 3. So this 4 plus this 3 is equal to 7. 7 into 2, 14 marks in this part. In part 3, we have 10 questions, 31 to 40. Out of there, 10 you have to choose any 3. Here, 31 to 33 ERC. Very easy to score marks. 3 questions are asked. You have to answer any 2. You have to write the poem name and poet name. You will easily get 2 out of 3 marks. You have to choose 2 out of 3 questions and you will get 2 out of 3 marks. 34 to 36 question answers from prose part. That questions are very easy, and if you listen to the teacher carefully, if you are very attentive in the class, you could answer all 3 questions, but you have to write only 2 out of 3. 2 3s are 6 marks. For this 6 marks. 37 to 40 there are many topics. Expand the headlines. Headlines are given and you have to expand it. And dialogue is given. Situation is given, so you have to write the dialogue. Making coffee, sandwich, tea, juice, etc. And this proverb. Proverb is asked to complete the proverb or choose the correct word to fill the proverb, or jumbled proverbs are given. You have to write it in the order. Notice board writing, message writing, and here pie chart is given. Verbalization, encoding and decoding, and here precautionary steps after the cyclone hit. First aid methods to clean the utensil. Last year it was asked utensil cleaning. So out of these topics, 4 questions are asked. Out of the 4 you have to choose any 3, and 3 3s are 9 marks. So 9 plus 6, 15 plus 6, 21 marks. 7 into 3, 21 marks in this part. In part 4, we have 7 questions. 7 into 5, 35 marks. Very easy to score marks. You have scope to score more marks in English if you concentrate only on this part. Don't think it's very difficult. 41st question, in prose they ask one paragraph answer out of 2. First just this or that. Here 1 to 3, here 4 to 6. So you can concentrate on this part and you can get mark. 42nd question, poetry. There are 6 poems. Out of 6 you have to answer any 2. So either or question is there. You have to write only one paragraph, one summary of the poem. 43rd question, non-detailed, supplementary. There are 6 supplementaries. You have to answer any 1. So whichever supplementary you feel easy, be thorough with at least 1 to 3 supplementary. Be thorough with it. You can get to 5 out of 5 in this context. So 3 5s are 15 marks, are very easy for you. 44th question, summary writing or note making. So note making means you have to take the important points, you have to give subheading and also one heading. Heading, subheading, some 3 important points. For each subheading you have to give 3 important points, so you have to choose at least 3 subheadings. But for summary you have to write rough copy, fair copy. You have to strike the rough copy, give a title to the fair copy and write it down. So 5 marks, summary or note making. For last year 11th standard public examination, they asked only note making. Children have practiced summary very well, but they have attended, all the children have attended note making also. 45th question, letter writing. Letter writing you know very well, formal letters, informal letters, business letter. This formal letter to a headmaster, to the transport commissioner, corporation commissioner, etc. Informal letter to your uncle, to your father, to your mother, grandma, or to your friend. So for the format of the letter you are getting 3 marks. If you attend the letter, if the format is correct, you are given 3 out of 5. So it's very easy to score mark. You concentrate on 3 or 4 letters, it's enough. So 46th question, error correction or grammar topics. Error correction, 5 sentences are given with error and you have to point out the error and correct the error and write the correct sentence in the answer sheet. Grammar topics, homophones, semi-modals, linkers, tenses. You have to fill in the blank with the correct homophone, fill in the blank with the correct semi-modal verb, semi-linker and also the tense form, correct tense form. I dash live here since 2004. So you have to use have been living. For that you will get 1 mark, a grammar part. 47th question, dialogue writing. Situation is given. You have to construct a dialogue with the 5 exchanges for 5 marks. Or comprehension or hints. Out of these 3 topics, any 2 topics are given. Out of these 2 given 2, you have to choose any one. And you will get 5 mark. So it's very easy. For each question, if you get 3, means also 7 into 3, 21 marks. Very easy marks. You can, if you concentrate only on the 5 mark part in the English question paper, you can get easy pass. All the best, children. You have to study well, concentrate well, get good marks and come up in life. Thank you.